Hello, this is Davis.
Hello, this is episode 1, Nether. We are in the Nether. You can't really see it, folks. That, an iron pickaxe. You see he has an enchanted sword right there. He has a bow, a bunch of arrows. He has food. He is on normal.
No, I'm on peaceful. Oh my gosh.
You are on peaceful?
Yes.
And that would be Nether Wart. And let's see your inventory, Davis. No, not yet. I need to show the first. That would be, he has 64 stacks of Nether Wart. He has all armor and, yep. Why don't you go ahead and put some torches down so the folks could see?
I don't have any.
What do you have?
No torches. There it is.
Okay, then.
Wait, so how do you get out?
Isosaurus?
Okay.
Let's see lava. That would be lava.
Let's destroy it.
He is in the Nether. We cannot destroy lava. Episode 1. We're gonna make an episode 2. So please say a like. Please leave a like if you like this. We would love.
No, just do a like anyway.
Just do a like if you have an account. So yeah.
Bye.
And
Don't say bye yet.
this
we
is
did.
Davis Riley. He does not have an account. So bye.
Yes, finally.